Hey guys, so this is another one for the straight razor shave series. If you haven't seen the rest of the videos, I'm going to put up a playlist here for you guys, and also at the end of the video to check out all of the straight razor shave series videos where we talk about how to straight razor shave, how to take care of all the things that you use for straight razor shaving, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to maintain your strop. Now I can stand here and convince you that you need to purchase some fancy oil and toss a link in the description for you to buy it, and so I can make a little bit of money. But instead, I'm going to tell you that actually what you need is free. Your body actually naturally creates all you need to maintain a strop. I know that might sound gross, but here's the truth. All you need to maintain a strop is oil from your forehead or your nose. So we're just going to rub some of the oil, the natural oil that I have coming off my forehead, and then we're just going to take that and rub it along the entire strop. Now, if you're not shaving daily, you're someone like me who's growing out the beard and you only really use a straight razor to line up the cheek lines maybe once a week or so, then I encourage you to maybe oil up your strop at least a couple times a week. And if you're shaving every day, just oil it up after every use. That's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you haven't seen the rest of the videos, and your body actually naturally is oil from the top of your oil from your forehead. Then I encourage you to that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.